Let's talk about nipple hole openings and why they matter. So, I started thinking about this when I was testing the thigh seed products because the nipple that comes with what they call their silicone transition bottle starts with a single round hole for the 0 to 3 month option, but then goes to two holes for the 3 to 7 month option. Whereas the nipple that comes with what they call their natural anti-colic bottle actually starts with 5 small holes and then goes into sort of slightly larger 5 small holes until you get to the 3 month plus, and then it actually goes to two larger holes. And that's different from, for example, Lansnow starts with one round hole, and then once you get for the extra slow and the slow, and then once you get to the medium, changes over to a crosscut. And then the Dr. Brown's line, for example, and this is true for a lot of other products as well, starts with a single round hole and then gets progressively larger until in their particular line of products, you get up to the crosscut, which is, intended for 9 month plus. But they have, 7 levels prior to getting up to that crosscut. And the reason why this matters is that when we are doing any type of thickening of the liquid that a baby is drinking, or even if you're fortifying to increase calories or adding anything in, or just using, for example, the any of the sort of formulas that are intended for reflux. So, for example, Enfamil AR, all of those products, because they're a little bit thicker, they may have difficulty moving through, for example, a nipple that has 5 tiny holes. A standard formula or kind of straight up breast milk might move really easily through those 5 small holes. But as soon as you start to thicken or add other things to it, it may be difficult for the baby to actually remove that milk from that nipple because it's that thicker formula or thicker breast milk is trying to move through those small holes. So in general, when I'm working with a baby and we need to do any fortification or thickening and we need to move up in a nipple level in order for the baby to try and extract that milk, I want to be looking for a product that has a single round hole that is getting progressively larger, so that I know that, as we're thickening, that baby's going to be able to be successful at removing milk from that nipple.